So we live on the first floor of the first tower, which is Tower Zero in Yosemite. That's the door to the hallway. Hi guys, so this is my room. I live in a Yosemite double. And yeah, let me show you around. Stuff up there, and like these are her drawers. This is her desk. She has a fan. I highly recommend bringing it. So these are the two closets, and then there's another closet over there with drawers. And then what they did, because they have the same room kind of, is that they put their drawers in their closets because they're big enough, so they didn't have to get those plastic ones that I have. So the bed situation is kind of weird here at Cal Poly. They assign you a bed, so there's no fighting about it. If you guys disagree, they can basically be like, oh, we assigned this bed to you and this bed to you, so this is where your beds are gonna be. But most people don't really care. It's kind of a first come, first serve type of thing. And then this is what the beds look like. This is a bunk, like this is a bunk bed. And then this is a loft. This is where Natalie, my friend, lives. Here's the long desk and their drawers, and then a singular desk and their drawers. And every dorm has a fridge. It comes with a fridge, so you don't have to buy one. It's more simple. She just has her full body mirror. Is I got for my sweatshirts and jeans for my shoes. And my mom made the hat thing, so if you wear hats a lot, I would definitely consider buying Bannister bindings. If you take everything out. This mirror inside here, but I definitely recommend getting a full length. Hey guys, I'm currently in the Yosemite Tower Zero bathroom. So a little thing about Yosemite is that the first floor is always all one gender. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be like that when you guys come. But these are the toilets, showers, there's 2 showers, and like you would think that it would be really like complicated with the toilet bathroom situation, but it's really not. People like always have different schedules and different things. Hey guys, I'm currently in the Yosemite Tower Zero bathroom. So a little thing about Yosemite is that the first floor is always all one gender. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be like that when you guys come. But these are the toilets, showers, there's 2 showers, and like you would think that it would be really like complicated with the toilet bathroom situation, but it's really not. People like always have different schedules and different things that they're doing and like different times where they like to shower And so like there's only ever been like one time where I was like, shoot, both showers are taken. So